Class weapon, void attack. Class gun, extends weapon. Attack, we are overriding there. Bomb, extends weapon. We are overriding attack. Sword, extends weapon. So we have three child classes of weapon: gun, bomb, and sword. And then have a look at that. Static void perform, weapon ref dot attack, polymorphic invocation. When we pass gun, gun's attack will be called. When we pass bomb, bomb's attack will be called. This code is not new for us at all, provided you have revised yesterday. Huh? Now its diagram we will see.
Sir, just one question. We are taking perform static because we don't want to instantiate that class again, right?
Which class?
The weapon demo one.
Perfect. Absolutely correct. We don't want to instantiate unnecessarily that class. That's why we have taken perform as static. So, main can call static method directly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, correct. Now for weapon demo 1, we don't have any diagram. Weapon demo 1A. Attack with gun, bomb, and so on. This is nothing but revision. Yeah. Weapon demo 1A. Class weapon. This is similar to yesterday's example of class course. DAC DBDA orientation. So class weapon with attack, gun with attack, plus gun has got its additional method fill bullets. Fill bullets. Bomb extends weapon, attack. Sword extends weapon, attack. Static void perform weapon ref. Along with attack, also invoke fill bullets of gun. So whenever gun is passed, we would like to invoke fill bullets along with the attack. In fact, fill bullets before attack. So can we say ref.fill bullets? Make sure you followed this concept that we can't say ref.fill bullets. Why?
No.
Because ref
No.
is of type weapon ref. Ref is of type weapon. Yeah.
Downcasting.
Yeah. Fill bullets is not there in weapon. Yeah.
Using instance of.
Yeah. Now we can see its diagram. We have ref, weapon ref. Perform new gun. What happens? Gun object gets created with attack and fill bullets. Ref refers to that gun object. Ref.attack. Attack will be performed, can be performed. But ref.fill bullets will not be possible because ref type is weapon and fill bullets method is not then the weapon. So it is not possible. When we say perform new bomb, so bomb object will be created. Ref refers to bomb. Ref.attack, yes, possible. When we say perform new sword, sword object is created and the sword object is passed to perform method. So weapon ref will refer to sword. And when you say attack, attack of sword gets called. Weapon demo 1B. Weapon demo 1_B. Same structure, but the difference in perform. Since we cannot call ref.fill bullets, we are trying to call fill bullets like this. But you know already, yesterday we discussed, yesterday in that example we saw that when we create new object of DAG DBDA, it's like we start one batch and we do orientation of another batch. It's of no use. So same thing here. One gun is passed from main. Attack is supposed to be done on that gun, but you are filling bullets in different gun. So the gun using which you are going to attack, in that gun you are not filling bullets. So even though this program compiles and run, but it's of no use. Gun OB is equal to new gun, OB.fill bullets. But it's a different gun. So this program will compile and run, no doubt about that. But then what has happened? This is different gun, this is different gun. Again, we can see the diagram. Ref of weapon type. Perform new gun. So gun object will be created with attack and fill bullets. Ref refers to that gun object. Ref.attack. Attack will be called. Ref.fill bullets not possible. Won't compile. Gun OB is equal to new gun. What will happen? Another gun object will be created. OB refers to that. And on that OB, you call fill bullets. So you can clearly see you are going to attack with this gun and you are filling bullets in this gun. Doesn't make any sense, right? We are using this gun and filling bullets in this gun. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So what needs to be done? Weapon demo 2. Weapon demo 2. Yeah, downcasting. So yesterday we learned when to go for downcasting. Whenever you have written a code where you accept parent class reference as an argument, you are going to pass various child class objects to perform polymorphic invocation. In that scenario, suppose you want to invoke a method which is there only in the child class, not there in the parent class. You have to downcast. Gun OB is equal to ref. So what does that mean? This gun will be passed to ref. And this ref you convert to gun, downcast, parent to child. So OB will refer to that object where ref refers to. OB will refer to that object where ref refers to. And exactly on that object you are calling fill bullets. So in short, attack and fill bullets, both the methods are called on the same object. Which object? The one which you are passing from main. The one which you are passing from main. Look at the code once again.
Hello, sir. Sir, even if we call attack method from OB object, OB reference, it will work, right?
It will work, but then that ref dot attack is a common statement. Common. If bomb comes, if sword comes, so attack has to be on the reference instead of OB. If you call on OB, it's the same meaning, but attack has to be on the ref, because what if bomb comes? What if sword comes?
Yes.
So diagram for this is there. Weapon ref. When you say perform new gun object will be created, ref dot attack on gun will be called. Ref dot field bullets not possible. This is repeated in each and every diagram. Gun OB is equal to ref. Ref is of type weapon, and that weapon type you convert to gun. Yesterday we learned one more thing. Downcasting will be possible only if upcasting has been done. So here upcasting has been done. How? Weapon ref refers to gun. That is upcasting. So now you are trying to convert ref to gun. So what will happen? What does this statement mean? What does this statement mean? This statement means that OB refers to the same object where ref refers to. So OB refers to gun. Now with this downcasting, what has happened? Reference of gun refers to gun object. Nothing wrong. And OB dot fill bullets. So what can we say here? We are using this gun and filling bullets in the same gun.
Hello, sir. I have a question. Instead of making one more reference of OB, can we write like this: bracket gun reference dot fill bullets?
Ref, then bracket gun dot fill bullets.
Is that okay, right?
Direct, no?
Yes, sir. Direct. No need to make any reference, like extra reference.
Two brackets will come. So this is downcasting, but you know the risk in that. Weapon demo 3. Class cast exception. Why we got class cast exception in weapon demo 3? Because this code is perfect when gun comes. But what if bomb comes? When bomb comes, you are trying to convert bomb to gun. Bomb and gun are not compatible. So that will give you class cast exception. So what is the solution for that?
Instance of gun.
Instance of, yes. So weapon demo 3 ka flow. Ref of weapon type. When you say bomb, ref refers to bomb. Ref dot fill bullets not possible. Gun OB is equal to gun ref. So OB will refer to that object where ref refers to. But OB is of type gun. And you are trying to refer to that object which is of bomb. Gun and bomb are not compatible. So that gives you class cast exception. weapon demo 4. How do you solve that class cast exception problem? If ref instance of gun, then only downcast. So the way we discussed yesterday, when gun comes, ref's content is gun. Ref refers to gun. Now ref refers to gun. So gun is a gun, yes. So in that case, downcasting happens. When bomb comes, ref refers to bomb. Bomb is a gun, wrong, false. Sword is a gun, false. Filling bullets, attack with gun. And then whenever bomb and sword you pass, just attack with bomb, attack with sword. So this is one more example where you can see upcasting, late binding, downcasting, instance of, all in one place. All in one place.
हेलो सर.
हाँ बोलो.
सर अगर इधर बॉम्ब में भी फिलिंग बॉम्ब जैसे मेथड रहता तो उसको कैसे
So
हम
one more if
एक
condition.
और ऐड है. ओके.
Yeah.
So can we use here or conditions or an and condition?
Or condition. कैसे?
Like if I have two guns like AK-47 and gun, small gun, and I want to
Two different classes, you mean?
two different classes, gun and AK-47, and performing the same action, fill bullets. Then and I have two more classes like bomb and sword, in which we don't have to perform fill bullets. Then we can use like command like reference instance of gun or reference instance of AK-47.
But then what about downcasting? Downcasting का कैसे करोगे? Downcasting has to be for that class, no? Downcasting has to be for that class, no? AK-47 और जो भी बोल रहे हो, rifle. If condition में you can have condition or and.
Right.
But
सर नेस्टेड
Not
इफ से कर
possible.
सकते हैं.
That's not possible.
नेस्टेड इफ से कर सकते हैं ना.
हाँ,
नहीं
nested if
nested if क्यों? नहीं but nested if में भी क्या करोगे? If ref instance of AK-47 तो आपको downcasting करना है AK-47 से. तो why will you have nested if in that AK-47 case में?
Yes.
So better you have else if ना.
else if
ये रिक्वायरमेंट के लिए else if कर सकते हो.
else if कर सकते हैं सर बेटर.
else if is better. So this folder is given for revision, class class exception and instance. Revision हो गया.
So जावा के लेक्चर्स कितने दिन रहेंगे?
अभी रुको ना, अभी थोड़ा आराम से. कुछ है क्या प्लानिंग वनिंग?
नहीं सर.
ऐसे कुछ. हाँ तो थोड़ा अभी रुको, अभी बोलना मुश्किल है.